great things like smoothing and great, amazing facials that are therapeutic, and different hair designs and great makeup, especially bridal makeup and putting on the lehengas and the saris and all wonderful things like that. And they're in Asand, but they're doing training centers in villages all over Haryana. And one of the villages is Rajund. We're going to be starting very soon, and we're doing sign-ups right now near the Gurdwara, I believe. And also in Radha is another training center, and Salvan is starting up very soon too. So training centers are coming to a village where you live, so what could be better than that? So please sign up. We'll be there to help you sign up, and Vandana and her great staff will be the teachers, and I also do healings, and I'd love to do it with you guys free of charge. So that's how we all work as a team and be happy, be peaceful, and obtain our dreams. Love and blessings to all.
इस प्रकार के कोर्स फ़ायदेमंद होते हैं क्योंकि इसमें हम पार्ट टाइम जॉब कर सकते हैं और इसमें हमारा टाइम भी बच जाता है और हमें मतलब जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिल सकती है और हम खुद ट्रेनर होने के बाद दूसरों को भी ट्रेनिंग दे सकते हैं। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत ही फ़ायदेमंद है और सभी लड़कियों को करना चाहिए।